Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a PH2 bit and a 10mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the taillight assembly. Unplug the wire connector. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the taillight. Replace with a new taillight and tighten with the 4 screws. Plug the wire connector and secure the taillight assembly. Tighten the taillight assembly with the 6 screws.